Welcome to your success. If you're like most networkers, you're here because you're looking for a winner. You tried all the money games, and like all the rest, they've disappeared. You're almost ready to give up. Don't. We can give you what you need. All you're looking for is an honest, legal company that you can be proud of and that has a product in high demand. A product that you can offer to create a dependable, long-term income that can make your family debt-free and maintain your lifestyle throughout retirement, right? Welcome to Jumpstart, the all-in-one company with a long-term plan for your success. Here's what we provide. Thousands of prospects that want your business, luxury vacations, gifts, must-have tools to create the magnet that will turn those prospects into customers, an advanced leveraging system that will turn those customers into a huge residual monthly income, a legal way to catapult your earnings from one income to double and triple for a lifetime. No recruiting. Most money games promise passive income with no work and no recruiting. But when was the last time you got paid to do nothing? But what if you didn't have to worry about recruiting? What if you never had to call your friends or family again? What if you could become the networker that everybody follows instead of you following everybody? What if we told you you could be that leader? Jumpstart has the formula to bring you thousands of prospects and turn them into paying customers on autopilot. Join us today. Advertise on our Jumpstarter ad arena and let's jumpstart your success now.